Last night, a big tree fell down due to the monsoon rains and strong winds. In the process of falling, it dragged all the power lines down with it. After many attempts of calling PNG Power, no one came to deal with this matter. This morning, the men in the community collected money to buy fuel to cut the tree and clear the road.
So now we contributing 1K to harim change on a cutting the way. Los service must come road. No good, road and service come logan and plus claims.
The fallen tree has blocked off the main road where the community commutes to and fro. Peter Tendeke was very concerned that someone could get electrocuted. He calls on PNG Power to respond and help this community as soon as possible.
Or beginning by what morning through the bomb score about I'm risky live load because power run down long ground stop na. No good all back sim awesome na mipla wedding PNG power no got na mipla yet help me chatana contribute money long where all free service by one up because men send up long all category stop again. So how much the population also live backside them no good or no look saw na walk about na mipla tindin na contribute money na academies la diwa em awesome mipla wedding PNG power em taso.
Meanwhile, Leo Hawari of PNG National Weather Service says the southern region of the country has just entered into the monsoon season. There is a tropical depression forming south of Honiara and southeast of the Coral Sea and is embedded in the monsoon trough.
Most area of concern will be the southern region. That's mainly of Central Province, Gulf, Western and the Samurai, or Million Bay provinces.
The PNG National Weather Services issued a warning that all coastal regions will be experiencing strong winds. During this period, landslides and floods are to be expected. Lillian Kinea, National EMTV News.